Getting a personal loan after bankruptcy. Does it sound too optimistic? However, it is possible to get a bad credit personal loan, even after bankruptcy. It helps improve the debtor's credit standing through efficient time management in repaying the loan. These loans are given for personal use such as education, healthcare, cars, etc. These unsecured loans are granted mainly on the basis of the credit history of the concerned person. The loans are paid back in installments. Bankruptcy is a condition in which the debtor is unable to return the money back to his creditors. Generally, it happens that a debtor himself files for a voluntary bankruptcy. But, in some cases creditors have to take action against the debtor by filing a bankruptcy petition. The United States Code, USC, which codifies the federal laws of USA, contains 50 titles. Out of these 50 titles, the 11th one has Chapter 7 feet and Chapter 13 feet dealing with bankruptcy. In Chapter 7, all the debts are cleared. However, some of the debtor's property is liquidated, in order to salvage the creditor's loss. Unlike Chapter 7, Chapter 13 laws don't confiscate the debtor's property. It gives him an opportunity to repay the debts over time, provided that he can afford to make the payments. Availing personal loans post-bankruptcy. It is possible to avail personal loans after bankruptcy, however, you need to approach the right lender. Not all moneylenders provide loans after bankruptcy. Try to find lenders who specialize in providing bad credit loans. Higher interest rates is however a problem in case of these loans. Be careful and explore the various options that are offered to you, thoroughly. Some of these may be traps to make the borrower fall in a bigger debt. The person who wants loan after bankruptcy needs to fulfill the following criteria. Credit score. Some lenders offer loans after checking the debtor's credit score. For the loan to get approved, a minimum credit score is required. It is possible to check the credit score by ordering copies from credit reporting agencies like Equifax, TransUnion or Experian. Collateral. Collateral is another thing that the lender may consider before offering a loan. It is the security provision facilitating the lender, in case the debtor is not able to repay the loan. Existing debt. See that your debt is not too huge, which may affect your chances of availing a loan. Time. If you maintain a good credit history, your credit rating will go up. If the credit history remains positive for a considerable amount of time, getting a credit would be much easier. Before you buy a loan, assess your current position, the assets and your ability to repay. Lenders generally offer loans considering the debtor's pre-tax income. Try to downsize the monthly mortgage you need to repay. Bring it down from 28% that is normally offered, to 20%. It helps to reduce the burden on your repaying capacity. Bad credit personal loans. A ray of hope. Earlier, debtors unable to repay their huge debts preferred to file for bankruptcy. This would wipe off the debts in their names. But, it also meant that, they would face problems in availing loans for the next 10 years. In such a situation, the provision of bad credit loans comes to the rescue. Bad credit loans not only provide the debtor with money, but also revives his credit standings. It changes the outlook of bankers towards the debtors in a positive way. Today, there are many lenders who offer bad credit loans. Unlike the olden days, bankruptcy is not uncommon nowadays. Now it's relatively easier to find people having a problem with their credit standings. With a rise in the number of bankrupts, lenders operating in these areas of bad credit are also increasing. In fact, there is competition among lenders providing bad credit loans. No matter how much you earn, saving along with disciplined spending is crucial for a fine credit standing.